Welcome back to one. This is how you can record. This is how you can quick share in between your Android phone and your laptop, Windows laptop, any laptop. So, any Windows laptop, presumably even so, you can use without an account. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this done. I'm just gonna name the device name as FMR1 for this video, and then device you need to go ahead and put receive from everyone because you're not in an account. And then I'm gonna post this right there like so, and press share right there, and then quick share. And I found my laptop connecting. It might show a pin right there, so accept. And now you're receiving. You can do back and forth and receive just like so. And thanks for watching. Samsung, please send me a S25. Look at what I'm using.